Good day, everyone. Um, this interview is about Ms. Jigisha Patel, who was a IGC NEBOSH learner. She has achieved a successful completion and is also one of the few female learners uh, for this program. So we have taken this opportunity to understand more about her and to ask more questions to her about her experience while doing the NEBOSH IGC program. Would you like to introduce yourself, please, Jigisha?
Yeah, sure. Hey, I'm Jigisha Patel. I'm residing in West Bengal, and I have just recently finished my master's in ergonomics and occupational health, and I have started my PhD, which is basically having the same domain of occupational health and ergonomics. That's about me, and yeah, I've completed the first open books NEBOSH IGC, and I'm thankful for it. That it's been a great experience.
Great, great. We are aware that occupational health and safety is a male-dominated industry, right,
Yeah, right.
globally. So, as a female, what is your approach? How do you think uh, women can impact or women can be part of this industry in the coming years? What is your message? What is your thought about it?
Firstly, I feel that calling any domain as on a sex-oriented thing, I don't feel it's right. Yeah, that's true that many of the women's are now putting a step forward to this new domain on this, and I feel by me and lot of me like me are actually are an inspiration for a lot of people. A lot of women are doing a lot of good things in this field. So I myself are taking inspiration from a lot of women like that. So the days have already come up, and a lot more days are to come where women will be playing a major role in this field. And this field is sometimes it's like an integral part for all of us. So be it a male or female, the major part is to give an impact and to put an impact. So I think we are on the same line. So we'll be doing it very soon.
Right, right. That's really great to know your thoughts about that.
Thank
So, what message would you like to give to future learners, future IGC learners, with respect to how to prepare or any inputs that you feel like, oh, I should have done it like this, or anything that you would like to message,
you.
pass on to future learners?
uh, those who are actually aspiring and those who are eager to learn on this occupational health and safety, I would like request them, or at least I'll like tell them that do the IGC course. It's very important. I think you will get to know about a lot of things to learn, and it's like a big mammoth. You'll feel like you know a lot more to learn about it. And according about the IGC course, um, I don't actually need one. I don't need to give anything such advice, because once you get into it, you learn yourself. So the fluidity is very important. So please keep the fluidity and learning. That's it.
Right, right. That's great. We will ensure that learners understand the concept to keep the fluidity on throughout the program.
Yeah.
That's very important. Right. So, anything else you would like to share to the world through this media?
Um, well, not so much, but actually, since I would love to know about yours. Your like, how did you find this domain and how you have reached up to such level? So yourself, you're an inspiration. So like, please tell your story.
Right. So my story would be, like you rightly said, occupational health and safety is a domain that exists in every field,
Right.
irrespective of whether it's manufacturing, whether it's aviation, oil and gas, construction, you name it, or even an office space, because you have ergonomics there, right?
Right.
So this is a common link. So my background is from the shipping, the marine industry. So I had been sailing for 10 plus years in the merchant navy. And safety is very paramount there, because if we make a chance, if we make a mistake, we are costing lives. So I had an inclination towards the safety aspects of it. But then I thought perhaps why not look at it in a more holistic approach, something which can be applied in other industries too, in a more general manner. So that is when I came across Nabosh, and that's where my journey started a couple of years ago. And the rest, it's a constant journey,
Yeah.
right? You have to do a continuous professional development to pursue it.
I feel like the 3S Life CF Academy is going to have another new tutor and a mentor, which I couldn't have at that point of time. So many people will get the opportunity of that as well.
Right. Thank you so much. So, yeah, we look forward to have people as well to join a place where the right guidance and the right support is given, which will
Right.
help in their continuous development.
Yeah. The
So,
exchange of thoughts and exchange of process of learning is very important, and it's
absolutely.
very integrated in every field. So if we could like inculcate that idea of putting forward the ideas in any field of it, like if it's like safety, as you said, it's an holistic subject. So that will be a great development as well, a developmental step towards our occupational health and safety, as it is needed in every field and every time, every point of time.
Right. So, thank you very much for your time and sharing your thoughts with us. We appreciate that a lot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.